Bennett! Bennett, look at me, buddy. Ready? Why do you always wake up after everyone leaves, huh, buddy? With your arms crossed. Oh my God, you're so cute. Hi. Okay, you're not doing the eye thing. You're so cute, though. My whole hand covers like half your body. You wanna hold mommy's hand?